Hello everyone, my name is Manish and I am from 1st year CSE branch. My company name is G3S and the present name of my product is bicycle, and the product name I gave is electrocycle. The requirements or the product empathies are rechargeable, it's rechargeable, and pedalless bicycle, and it can fly. And based on the empathy stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product, and the existing product name is bicycle and futuristic product name is electrocycle. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: electrical motor, battery, flying tech, and extra speed booster. Here is the prototype stage of a real working model has been manufactured. Due to the time consumption, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch are given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion on the satisfying stage. Thank you everyone.